I need to replace two of the thermocouples on my Miele cooktop, KM342G. I ordered the parts, a kit of 6 for my 5-burner stove. Can you walk me through the removal of the stainless top, or are they replaced from the bottom of the unit?
Thanks for your question. Please remember to rate my assistance when we're done. Please talk with me first before rating negatively. Just give me a couple hours and I will get back to you. My Miele service info is down at the moment.
Okay, great. If you have a schematic that shows how to access the thermocouples, or walk me through the process, that would be great.
Okay, you need to remove all the burner pieces and then you should see 3 screws on each burner base to get them off. Once all of them are off and the knobs are off, the top will split apart from the base and you can lift it off to replace the electrode sensors. It is pretty straightforward once you separate the top to replace the sensors. If you cannot get it from that point, let me know.
I'm waiting for the parts to arrive. I'll let you know how it goes.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello. Thanks for your help. The repair went well. The front screw on both of the wok burners were frozen and broke off. Also, one of the thermocouples in the wok burner was frozen and had to be drilled out. There is a new ground wire on the thermocouple now, and I had one in contact with the igniter and no spark until I separates them. Everything working great now, and I don't plan to drill out and tap the screws that broke off.
Great, all I ask is that you rate my assistance. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.